What are the steps involved in converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning fireplace?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss a topic that many of you have asked about: how to convert a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning fireplace. This process involves some steps that require professional assistance, but we will walk you through the entire process so you know what to expect. Remember, safety is paramount, so don't try to do all the steps by yourself unless you're a trained professional.
What is the difference between gas and wood-burning fireplaces?
First off, let's understand what we're getting into. Gas fireplaces are popular for their convenience. Just flip a switch, and you have a fire. They also burn cleaner and require less maintenance. However, they don't offer the same sensory experience as a real wood fire. Wood-burning fireplaces, on the other hand, give that quintessential fireplace experience: the crackle of the logs, the glowing embers, and the woodsy aroma. But they require more work, including chopping or buying firewood, building the fire, and cleaning up the ash.
Is it possible to convert a gas fireplace to wood burning?
The short answer is yes, but it involves more than just removing the gas logs and throwing in some wood. This is a job that needs professional help because the ventilation systems for gas and wood-burning fireplaces are different, and you'll need to ensure that the flue can handle the smoke, soot, and higher temperatures produced by wood.
What are the steps involved?
Let's break down the steps. 1. Contact a professional. Always start by contacting a professional fireplace installer or a chimney sweep. They will inspect your current setup and tell you whether it's feasible to convert to wood burning. 2. Gas line capping. If it's a go, the first step will be to cap off the gas line. This needs to be done by a certified professional to ensure it's safe. 3. Remove the gas insert. After the gas is off, the next step is to remove the gas logs or insert. 4. Inspect and possibly modify the firebox. The firebox may need some modifications to handle wood burning. The professional will check its condition and make any necessary repairs or upgrades. 5. Check the flue and chimney. The flue and chimney need to be inspected to ensure they can handle the heat and smoke from a wood fire. They may need to be lined or relined with a material that can withstand higher temperatures. 6. Install a wood-burning fireplace insert. The final step is to install a wood-burning insert, which should be sized to fit your existing fireplace. That's a brief overview of converting a gas fireplace to wood burning. Remember, this is not a DIY project, and professional assistance is crucial to ensure safety and compliance with local codes. But once the conversion is complete, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the crackle and aroma of your very own wood-burning fireplace. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay safe, and happy burning!